Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again here, Triumph and Waukesha. Today we are going to take out the Triumph Tiger 900 GT low. This is obviously the low edition. This is a lower seat height, making it easier and more approachable for shorter riders. I am personally 5'9". I have ridden the 1200 GT Rally Explorer, or the Rally Pro, the Rally Explorer, all that. And yeah, they're freaking tall, so I can't put my feet down at all. I'm on my tiptoes. This one's gonna be a little bit different. This is an 888cc inline triple. This is claiming 94 brake horsepower, 64 foot-pounds of torque, and a wet weight of around 465 pounds, so not too bad there. This has base MSRP, if I recall correctly, $14,700. This has Brembo brakes up front, steel braided lines, you know, all the bells and whistles you would expect for something that costs 15 grand basically. You have fully adjustable suspension front and rear. And let's see, how low is it? Yeah, I am nearly flat-footed. That's phenomenal. This has adjustable brake lever and adjustable brake and clutch levers. I love it when they have that. Let's kick it into gear and get on the road. This model does not have a quick shifter. Whoop, I hit the horn. This 888cc triple, it's really good. This does have cruise. Nice. Set at 52. That's very nice. Very nice. Engine brake is really strong. Whew. Yeah, slow speed around town. This bike is pretty good. The seat is actually pretty comfortable, but this bike is very well mannered, very well mannered, very easy. Footless stops, no problem there. No problems at all. This dash is freaking monstrous. I don't particularly like this layout though. Yeah, footless stops are easy on this. Super easy on this bike. I'm just gonna toggle to the one that I like. There are multiple, obviously, as you can see, there are multiple different display styles. That's display style 2, style 3. You need to set your contrast modes, all that good jazz. but I'm still a fan of this one. This particular display style, I like it. You know, you got all I need is my tack, and my cool there, all that good jazz. What mode are we in? We're in road mode. We're in sport mode now. Whew! This 88cc triple has got some good punch. I mean, some good punch to it. That's some good command on this. The bar is really nice and wide. I did mention fully adjustable front and rear suspension. And this low seat height is really good. I've ridden bikes that had lower seat heights before, and it's almost like the bike isn't built for that. It's not designed for that ride height. So it feels weird. It just doesn't feel normal or natural. This actually feels like it was designed like that. I mean, like it was like they purposely put it together and said, yeah, okay, let's do it this way. Don't put your foot down. Don't put your foot down. Thank you. I like the power delivery on this bike quite a bit. I mean, yeah, it's 14 grand, and honestly, I do understand the purpose of the low, because if you can't put your foot down, there are people who can't put their foot down that are just so uncomfortable that it puts them off from riding. And this, you're giving up a little bit of you know, suspension, travel, by, you know, making it so much lower. But if it gets more people riding, I'm all for it, you know. I did not do a U-turn on the regular one. Let's try a U-turn on this one. It's fine. This does have the same kind of adjustable windscreen as the Tiger Sport 660. It's decent. I mean, it's not a big, huge screen. I mean, putting it up like that, yeah, it did get some of the wind away from my face. It's putting, I mean, I feel all the wind now in my shoulders. The mirrors are really good on this bike, really good. I mean, for $14,000 though, 15 grand, 14.7. I mean, it's a lot of money. It is a lot of money. No doubt about that. Full throttle. You got some good punch. Plenty of get up and go to get out of any kind of issue you're in. But it's not a sport bike. You know, don't expect to have it light your hair on fire at all. It's not uncomfortable. As I said, I've ridden other lows in my life, and they sacrifice things, and comfort wise, this is pretty good. You know, I got decent wind protection. Still got decent leg room. I mean, for me at 5'9", this is actually pretty good. It's pretty normal for me. You know, I got my Ninja 1000 up here with me today, and I rode that up here from Illinois, and it's like comparable to that. The Ninja's a little bit taller than this. I mean, if you're a shorter rider, you want to get into the you know, kind of middle of the pack ADV bike. You know, it's got a lot of bells and whistles. It's got kind of everything you kind of need. You know, options for everything you kind of need. The GT Low, if you're a shorter rider, this is not a bad bike at all. This is actually pretty good. Easy neutral. I can throw my leg over really easy. Here's the thing, 5'9", you're not really built for... They don't really build the, you know, ADVs for people of my height or smaller. And when you do get a chance to ride something that does kind of work, I mean, that seat height is really, really low in comparison to the regular Tiger. But you're really not sacrificing a lot, to be honest. You're really not. Still got that nice triple sound. Yeah, I mean, there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Triumph Tiger 900 GT Low. It's a really good bike. Really good bike. If you're a shorter rider and you want to get into this segment, absolutely. You know, try one. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Everybody, if you haven't, like, subscribe, we appreciate it. As always, everybody, stay safe and enjoy the ride.